Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Mr.
Aditya Bikram Singh,
Author of.
The Mental Inertia.
So sir, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
I haven't been to such a large book fair yet. Right from a kid, you used to go to the book fairs. Na? In my own state, it's just a small one. I haven't seen so. It's just one hall, and I think there are 5 halls.
Yeah.
So many stalls. I haven't seen it at all.
And you're here as an author.
Yeah. I'm really baffled by it.
Right. That's wonderful. So can you tell us a little bit more about your book and why you chose to write about this?
So the idea about this book came during my final MBBS exam. Just the last exam. A day before that, I was reading in the afternoon and the idea struck me. And then I thought, if I don't write it down, I'll forget it. So I had to just take a rough notebook. I made a rough outline. I filled in certain key points and then I kept it for later. Right now, I'm doing an internship in a hospital, and throughout this internship, it took me 6 months. Slowly, I completed my book. The idea about this is it talks mostly about the hesitation or the laziness that we face when we begin a new task, or when you are about to complete, or when you are on the way to complete an ongoing task.
Right.
When you're about to begin something new, you have a huge burden in front of you. It's like you have all plans made out, you know what to do, you know whom to approach, but to take that first step, the hesitation that you face, it's daunting. It is worked out in your mind, it's perfectly worked out. You see yourself being successful, but when you actually try to work on it in real life, you feel a little hesitation. What if it doesn't go right?
Right. But I feel like that's something a lot of people face, right? It's
Yeah.
relatable to everyone.
Yeah.
But will this book tell us why that is the case? Will it help us understand our minds better?
That's exactly the point behind this. So that's how I've compared our own minds with the laws of motion in physics.
Wow. So you've really covered the whole scape in this.
Try to cover all the spectrum.
Wow.
Let's see how successful.
I'll definitely give this a read. I think a lot of people need to check this book out. Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. I hope you have a wonderful book fair. Thank you.